guys.
I haven't hit
So
brownie
I'm
land.
at,
There's one.
I don't know where I'm at. Paula done took me to some nice fancy restaurant here in Las Vegas.
Sorry about that.
Okay, I'll have to tell you later where it is.
It's
But
at
as
the
you-
Stratosphere,
It's at the Stratosphere,
and it's called Roxy's Diner.
Roxy's Diner. And look what I got. Let me see if I could do this.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, fudge. I can't turn it back and forth, but that's okay. Here. You guys can just sit here. Yep, that's my cake. My chocolate cake. Yes, and it came with all those cute little crispy things on top of it. But I'm ready to dive in, and then Paula reminded me I should probably go ahead and do a video. And YouTube, I'm not infringing on anybody's copyright because that music is playing in the background.
You got no control over it.
Okay, that's too big, and I'm in public, and you guys know how I feel about that, so I have to still be ladylike, okay? Oh man, that is good. You guys have some.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
This whole thing right here is brownie, baby.
It is
That's how we're
absolutely
explaining.
wonderful. Here, you stay down there and don't look at the boy. I don't want nobody to get self-conscious. Okay,
Wow.
I get my very own little mini cake. Yes, it'll be gone before I leave. You know that, right?
To go. Huh.
You guys gotta have some of this. I mean, you two, not them, not them. they can get their own cake, Paula.
I'm gonna try it.
Look at that. It's so nice and light and fluffy.
Oh, wow. That's almost like a mousse. Oh.
Chocolate mousse cake.
That is awesome. Okay, death by chocolate.
Wow.
I just hit bottom.
Oh my god, it's so good. It's so rich. However, I gotta tell you, I am not an icing girl.
Slide it over, baby. I can't eat no more.
So all of that icing can
Holy moly.
go back to the kitchen.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I'll move the girls.
I am a cake girl though, so I will be eating my cake. I just don't particularly care for all that frosting.
That's a lot of frosting. Wow.
Oh, Robert, are you paying attention, Robert? Wait, hold on. Where's my microphone? Oh, damn it, it's not coming out, Robert. Sorry, I tried to burp for you. Thank you. You got to thank Paula for that.
Sisters stick together.
That's right. She got my back.
I got you covered.
Thank you. Oh man, this is so good.
Oh, wow.
Sass, ASMR, you ain't got nothing on Tosh today, okay? Okay, you have like 2 million viewers, but I'm getting there. Oh, look at that, you guys. Look at that.
That is some serious cake.
That is a serious cake for real.
Oh my goodness. I'm so full. That's right, get it.
Don't make me laugh. Steve, tickle her. She's making me laugh. You guys, if you're ever in Vegas, pick me up so we can come here again. And we're going to go to where?
The next time we're gonna go down to McCall's Steakhouse.
We're going to McCall's Steakhouse and get some camarones,
cocktail?
shrimp cocktail,
And dessert. And some coffee.
good dessert. Yeah, I'll have some coffee then. Mmm.
This fly is pissing me off.
You guys, this is the shit. Okay, I'm about to devour this, so you guys gotta close your eyes or something. Okay, that's just way.
Much frosting.
And for all of you that love frosting, you can come and eat it. Cause yeah, no, that's too much. I want to enjoy the cake with a little frosting, not frosting with a little cake.
That's quite frosting.
See, like even that's too much frosting. Get off. I don't want all that.
Cheers, baby. Death by frosting.
Anything else I can get for you? Whenever you're ready, okay?
Thank you.
Behind my ears are sweating.
Death by chocolate.
Did you hear him?
Prime rib at McCall's.
But you know, if I eat that prime rib, I ain't eating no baked potato or nothing else.
Right? They give you one onion ring with a small baked potato and the prime rib.
So my sister and mother-in-law are here from Southern California. We walked across the street to the we walked across the street to the MGM
From the Tropicana.
And then we went
Then we went back to the Tropicana, caught a cab, and came back to Stratosphere.
I'll figure out how to insert those videos and pictures in here so you guys can see it. And no, YouTube, there's no copyright infringement whatsoever. It's my camera taking a picture of city streets, okay? Oh my God, this is so good, and I'm already stuffed full. Well, because I had a little bit of French fries. Oh my God.
Use of the box.
Okay, you guys, I pretty good dent in it.
Yeah, you did.
Let me just scrape out my cake. Oh man, I've been wanting chocolate cake for so long. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, if you can't have chocolate cake, life just ain't worth it.
Robert, do you want me to save these for you? Okay. When you come to Vegas. There you go. Wait, hold on. There you go. How's that? I'll save a few burps for you. Oh, Robert, you know what I thought about doing? Is just recording all my burps. And then I could just send that video to you personally. How's that? Or I could record them and insert them in my videos. How's that? Is that cheating? Yeah? Okay,
Right
well,
back
sorry.
with the change for you.
Okay. So I think I'm going to put the phone away now because I'm getting chocolate cake all over my phone. And put this in the to-go box.
I don't think that's any
Stop.
This cake is the shit. Oh, yum. See, now save those last few bites. When I get home, maybe I'll have a burp then for you, Robert. I tried, Robert. Sorry, but Paula got a good one in for you, though.
Best one I had.
As you guys see, I don't want to show nobody's face because I don't want nobody saying, I don't want to be in your video. You see? It's nice and beautiful. And that's the outside. There's Paula, my sister.
Peace, man.
Here's Steve, her husband. Yeah, it's one of those 50s kind of cafe things. I love you guys. I love you. Thank you for being here and have an awesome, awesome day. And I'll see you on Wednesday, if not sooner. I have a feeling I might be seeing you tomorrow, though. And tomorrow is...
Wednesday.
Oh, tomorrow's Wednesday. I lost track of time because, you know, it's been a busy week.
Have a great one,
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Bye. I love you. Mwah. We are in the MGM. Look at how beautiful it is. Because, you know, if it weren't for Paula and Steve, I wouldn't be here, right? No. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Okay, you got to look at that one more again in slow motion because we got to go. Bye. And we'll give you guys just a little glimpse of stuff. He didn't want to gamble there, so we're coming over here now. Yeah, it's nice to get out the house every now and again.